Hey there, beauties! Today, I'm thrilled to share my thoughts on the 4ever2buy rolling beauty station, a must-have for any hairstylist or salon owner out there. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about mobility. This salon station is equipped with 4 sturdy metal and hard rubber casters that swivel effortlessly, allowing you to glide it to your desired spot with ease. Whether you're rearranging your salon layout or simply need to move it around for cleaning, this station has got you covered. Now, onto storage. With 2 spacious drawers and a large cabinet, this station offers ample space for storing all your hairdressing tools and essentials. The appliance racks above are perfect for holding hair dryers and curling irons, keeping them within arm's reach while you work your magic on your client's hair. Durability is key in any salon furniture, and the 4ever2buy rolling beauty station doesn't disappoint. Crafted from durable, environmentally friendly wood, this station is built to withstand the rigors of daily salon use. Plus, the easy-to-clean surface ensures that maintenance is a breeze. But here's the best part: versatility. While this station is designed with hairstylists in mind, its multifunctional design makes it suitable for use in spas, barber shops, dressing rooms, bathrooms, or even as a vanity cabinet in your bedroom. Talk about versatility, and let's not forget about assembly. Each part of this salon station is numbered for easy assembly, so you can have it up and ready to use in no time. And in case you encounter any issues, rest assured that their customer service team is ready to assist you every step of the way. In summary, the 4ever2buy rolling beauty station is a game changer for any hairstylist or salon owner looking to elevate their workspace. With its sleek design, ample storage, durability, and versatility, it's truly the ultimate hairstylist's companion. Trust me, once you add this station to your salon, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.